This is the Mall of the Emirates in Dubai. Here you can find the Krispy Kreme shop on the food courts level. The donut variety they are offering is huge. We ordered a 3 pieces box for 15 dirham, which are around $4. Let's have a closer look at the ordered donuts in our box. The donuts we picked are a chocolate iced one, with cream filling, a dream cake, and caramel cream crunch cake. All 3 Krispy Kreme donuts and cakes that we ordered have been very delicious. Which donut is your favorite one? Thanks for watching.